Hello guys, this is Suyash Goyal signing in. I hope that you all are doing great. Very good morning to all of you, all the students out there. Everyone, please respond if you can hear me. All of you out there, so all the students who are there who can hear me right now, guys, please quickly respond. Everyone. Hello Muskan, how are you doing today? Just a moment, guys. Yeah. Hello Muskan, how are you doing today? Here we go. That's fine. Okay guys, so here we are connected once again today in this particular session, in which we will be continuing with our discussion that we need to do on a very interesting topic. And the topic, as you can see, that is the probability. Very interesting, very simple topic, some good questions, very important topic for your class 11th and 12th. So this is what we will be talking about today. A quick revision we will be having on this particular topic that you can see. Hello, hacking anything, how are you? So this is what we will be talking about. I'm just waiting some more students to join, and then we'll be starting with the session positively. This is about myself, guys. All of you, as you can see, that I'm an engineer by profession, teacher by heart. I have more than 1,49,000 followers on Unacademy, and I've been teaching mathematics to class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th students. There you can find the link that I have a group for a channel for Telegram. Okay, Suyash_CBSE_Unacademy. You can follow me. You can join this link, this Telegram channel as well. इस पर मैं सारी updates देता हूँ. I mean, any YouTube class that I'm gonna take, any free special class that I'm gonna take, या फिर any plus course that I'm gonna start for class 10th or 9th or 11th or 12th students. Everything is updated on Telegram, and this is for class 9th and 10th exclusively, this channel, so you all can join it. Apart from that, guys, moving forward, this is my code that you can see at the bottom, SUYASHLIVE. Okay, and using this code SUYASHLIVE, जैसे कि आप अभी free मेरे साथ connected है ना Unacademy के YouTube channel पर, ऐसे ही आप मेरे साथ और बाकी टीचर्स के साथ फ्री में, ओके, आई रिपीट, फ्री में कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं अनअकैडमी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन पर भी. एंड उसके लिए आपने कुछ नहीं करना है. यू जस्ट नीड टू डाउनलोड अनअकैडमी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन, एंड आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग इट you just need to select your respective class, 9, 10th, 11th or 12th, whatever it is. Then you need to just use this invite code. Okay, तो ये क्या है? This is the invite code. Okay, when you will be using this invite code, इस invite code को use करके आप जो है जितने भी स्पेशल क्लासेस हैं या फ्री क्लासेस हैं या फ्री कोर्सेज हैं जो कि मैंने अनअकैडमी पर लिए हैं या बाकी टीचर्स ने अनअकैडमी पर लिए हैं, वो सारे कोर्सेज, वो सारी क्लासेस आप जो है इस इनवाइट कोड को यूज करके देख सकते हैं. ओके, कूल. सो यू ऑल कैन डू दैट. आई एम डूइंग गुड. मुस्कान, व्हाट अबाउट यू? Good to know hacking. What about others, guys? Everyone should respond. Okay, so let's quickly move forward and let's get started with our discussion that we have for today. So this is what we have to discuss for today. Probability. Okay, hello TV Promo, how are you? Promo, interesting names, guys, you guys have. Okay, so the topic is probability. Topic is very interesting, and we're gonna talk about some interesting things on that. So when we talk about probability, what is probability, guys? Who will tell me? What is probability? Probability is nothing but very simple thing, guys. Whenever we are talking about the possibility of happening of any event, possibility of occurrence of any event, that is what we call probability. Simple. Now, when we are talking about probability, to find out probability, we have a formula, and that formula of probability is, we say probability of any event is number of favorable outcomes. When I'm talking about any experiment, it is basically number of favorable outcomes divided by what? Divided by the total number of outcomes. Okay. Whenever I'm talking about the probability of happening of any event, then it is equal to what? Whenever I'm talking about the probability of happening of any event, it is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. For example, if I'm talking about throwing a die, okay, so let's say my experiment is, देखिए अंतर समझिए, एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है जहां से आपके आउटकम्स ऑब्टेन होते हैं, राइट? तो अगर मैं बात करूं एक्सपेरिमेंट की, एक्सपेरिमेंट है थ्रोइंग अ डाई. थ्रोइंग अ डाई इवेंट नहीं है. थ्रोइंग अ डाई क्या है? थ्रोइंग अ डाई एक्सपेरिमेंट है. मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया, मैंने डाई को थ्रो किया, ठीक है. जब मैंने डाई को थ्रो किया, व्हेन आई एक्चुअली थ्रू अ डाई, नाउ कम्स द इवेंट. अब इस थ्रोइंग अ डाई के लिए मैं बहुत सारे इवेंट जो है वो बना सकता हूं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इवेंट हो सकता है गेटिंग 1, getting 2, getting 3, getting 4, getting 5, getting 6. All these are events. ठीक है. Apart from that, event could be getting an even number, getting an odd number, getting a number greater than 3, less than 3, greater than 2, less than 2, multiple of 2, multiple of 3. So this is how what we can do. This is how I can find out any event, so many events for this experiment. Are you clear? Okay. तो this is experiment. But इस experiment के लिए मैं बहुत सारे events की बात कर सकता हूँ. तो let's say मैं कुछ events की बात करता हूँ. I am defining one event over here, and that event is E1. So event E1 that I am talking about is basically what? Event E1 is getting, please focus, event E1 is getting an odd number. Event E1 is getting an odd number. अब अगर मैं इस event E1 की probability की बात करूं, then probability of E1 will be what? Probability of happening of event E1 will be what? Probability of happening of event E1 will be equal to, देखिए, odd number तीन तरीके से आ सकता है, 1, 3, 5 divided by total, that is 6. या फिर मैं बोलूं कि if E1 is the event that is getting a number which is greater than 2. If I'm talking about getting a number greater than 2, then it could be what? It could be the probability that I'm talking about. This is E2. The probability that I'll be talking about of E2, that will be equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 4 upon 6 is the answer. You getting my point, guys? All of you clear? So this is how what we can do. This is how we can find out the required probability as per the requirement that we have. Clear? Hello, Izhar Hamad. Yes, TV promo. We are having less students right now. Clear, guys? All of you got it? अब बात करते हैं कुछ अच्छी for class 10th. Okay, this is a basic introduction. Right now, let's talk about class 10. So, when we are talking about this particular scenario, guys, okay, if I'm having this, right, so I can simply say that when I'm talking about probability, let's say if I am throwing two dice together. अब मैं दो डाइस को साथ में, या दो डाइस छोड़िए, पहले हम लोग कॉइन से शुरुआत करते हैं. लेट्स से आई एम हैविंग वन कॉइन. When I'm having one coin, then there could be two outcomes, head and tail. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, please tell me, if there will be two coins that I'm tossing, can you please tell me how many possible outcomes will be there? All of you guys, if two coins are there, how many possible outcomes will be there? Everyone tell me. Two coins, बताइए. All of you, I'm throwing two coins, I am tossing two coins. What will be the total number of possible outcomes that I can get? Two coins I'm talking about. All of you, come on, go for it quickly. I'm talking about two coins, guys. Two coins. No guess? Nothing? Okay. So when I'm talking about two coins, okay, when I'm throwing two coins, तो क्या होगा देखिए. If I am throwing two coins over here, then for these two coins, what we can say? We can say that there will be head, comma, tail. There will be tail, comma, head. there will be tail comma tail, and there will be head comma head. This is how I can talk about two coins. Yes or no? मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है? So when I'm talking about two coins, it could be HTT, HTT, HH. Simple, right? Which means there are total 4 outcomes. In this case, there are only one outcome. Okay, head tail or tail head. Sorry. In the first case, there could be 2 outcomes. That could be either head or tail, right? Now let's talk about other scenarios. थोड़े और scenario की बात करते हैं. Now let's see if I'm having 3 coins. अभी क्या होगा guys? ध्यान से देखिएगा. When I'm tossing 3 coins, it could be what? T, T, T. Or it could be what? T, H, H. Or it could be what? H, H, T. Or it could be what? H, T, H. Or it could be what? Or it could be H, H, H. Or it could be what? It could be T, T, H. It could be T, H, T. And it could be H. It could be HTT. HTT. Are you clear with this, guys? If you count them, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes are there in total, right? Which means इसके लिए आपके हो गए 8 outcomes. If you formulate result in this, तो देखो क्या हो रहा है. जब आप एक coin को throw कर रहे हो तो आपके पास total outcomes आ रहे हैं 2 की power 1. जब आप 2 coin को throw कर रहे हो तो आपके पास total outcome आ रहे हैं 2 की power 2. That is 4. जब आप 3 coins को throw कर रहे हो तो आपके पास total outcome आ रहे हैं 2 की power 3. 2 to the 4 to the 8. इसी तरीके से when you will be throwing n coins, जब आप n coins को throw करोगे तो total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power n. ये बात किस किस को समझ में आती है? Please tell me guys quickly everyone. You got it? Yes or no? Do you understand this or not? Please tell me guys, all of you very quickly. If you are throwing n coins, so for n coins there will be in total 2 to the power n outcomes. I repeat, if you are throwing n coins, so for n coins there will be in total 2 to the power n outcomes. Is that clear to every student out there guys? All of you? Everyone out there guys, please respond. Okay, so when you throw only one coin, it's gonna be 2 outcomes, 2 coins, 2 to the power 2, 4 outcomes, 3 coins, 2 to the power 3, 8 outcomes. And when you throw n coins, there will exactly be 2 to the power n outcomes. Is that clear to all of you or not? Everyone got it? Come on guys, quickly respond. All the students out there, are you clear? Okay, which means if I'm throwing what? अब मान लीजिए कि मैं throw कर रहा हूँ 5 coins. If I'm throwing 5 coins, तो अब मुझे directly पता है कि total कितने outcomes होंगे. I can say total outcomes will be 2 की power 5. That will be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32 outcomes. Okay. If I'm throwing 6 coins, then what will happen? If I am throwing 6 coins, I can say it will be 2 की power 6. That will be 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 32, 2 to the 64 outcomes will be there. Are you clear? So this is how I can find out the total number of outcomes by just taking it 2 to the power something, right? Cool, got it? All of you out there guys, are you clear with this or not? Please tell me. Everyone got this point till here? Okay, let's quickly proceed forward. Let's talk about the next kahani that we have over here. Now, the next story that we are talking about is of your dice. Okay, now when I'm talking about dice, what I can say, talking about dice, again the same kahani. If I'm throwing one dice, how many total outcomes will be there guys? कितने total outcomes होंगे? If I'm throwing one dice, total outcomes will be there 6. And now if I'm throwing 2 dices, can you tell me total outcomes will be what? So total outcomes will be 6 to the power 2. If I am throwing how many dice? If I am throwing 3 dices, then how many total outcomes will be there? There will be 6 to the power 3. That is going to be 216. If I am going to throw 4 dices, how many total outcomes will be there? There will be 6 to the power 4 that you can find out. 5 dices if I am throwing, how many total outcomes will be there? that will be 6 to the power 5 and so on. So this is what basically we can talk about when we are throwing one dice. It is 6 to the power 1, that is 6 outcomes. Okay, then we have 36 outcomes. Okay, then we have 216 outcomes and so on, right? So just in the same way, what you can say that if you are throwing n dice, अगर n dice throw कर रहे हो, कितने outcomes होंगे? There will be 6 to the power n outcomes. ठीक है, ये total की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, this is another thing that we got. Now let's talk about some questions. Question says guys, जब मैं 2 dice throw कर रहा हूँ तो मेरे पास 36 outcome कैसे आ रहे हैं देख लेते हैं. When I'm throwing 2 dice, there will be 36 total outcomes, right? There will be 36 total outcomes that I'll be having. Very good morning. But how come am I getting these 36 total outcomes? Let's talk about it. Hello Ishu, very good morning. When I'm talking about these 36 total outcomes, they could be of the form 1, 1. Then we have 1, 2. Then we have 1, 3. Then we have 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. Then 2, 1. Then 2, 2. Then 2, 3. 2, 4. 2, 5. 2, 6. 3, 1. 3, 2. 3, 3. 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 6. Same for 4, 1. 5, 1. And 6, 1. So you can write it like this: 4, 6 up till 5, 6 up till and 6, 6 up till. Okay, let me complete it. 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5. Yes, you are right, Ishu. Acha. So let's talk about some questions based on this now. Okay, so this is what I'm having guys when I'm throwing 2 dice together. Now the question could be in any form. Question could be find the probability. Okay, find the probability when you are throwing 2 dice. Find the probability of getting a sum of, please focus, getting a sum of at least, let's say 10. Now when you want sum at least 10 का मतलब क्या हुआ? देखो, जब भी आप 2 डाइस को थ्रो कर रहे हो तो अगर आप देखो मिनिमम सम जो आपके पास आएगा, मिनिमम सम आ सकता है ये आपका 2, 1 + 1, और मैक्सिमम सम जो आपके पास आ सकता है वो आ सकता है 6 + 6 12. Are you clear? Minimum sum could be 1 + 1 2 and maximum sum could be 6 + 6 12. ठीक है. Now moving forward, when I'm talking about the other stories, other kahanis over here, what I can say, talking about the other stories, when I want the sum of at least 10 कैसे होगा देखिए. When I'm talking about at least 10 over here, so 4 5 gives me 9, then 4 6 10. यहाँ पे मेरा पहला sum 10 obtain होगा. Then 5 5 is 10, 5 6 is the one that I'm looking for, and then 6 5 is the one that I'm looking for, and 6 6, which means I'm having 3 favorable events out of 36 total events, right? When I'm having 3 favorable events, so the probability will become 3 upon 36. That means answer will be 1 upon 12 is the final probability. Are you clear with this, guys? Got it? Okay, 1 upon 12 will be the final probability. Now if I'm talking about probability of what? If I'm talking about probability of getting a sum of at most, please focus, getting a sum of at most let's say 8. What do we mean by at most 8? At most 8 का मतलब guys क्या हो गया? When I'm talking about at most 8, at most 8 basically means that I'm talking about maximum sum to be 8. Okay, I'm talking about maximum sum to be what? Maximum sum to be 8. When I'm talking about maximum sum to be 8, it means it could be sum as 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. कुछ भी हो सकता है, एट मोस्ट ज्यादा से ज्यादा 8 होगा, 8 से कम कुछ भी. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दोस केसेस. सो सच केसेस कुड बी issue says 33 by 36. Let's have a look. 1 2 3 4 5 6. ये चारों एलिजिबल है, राइट. ये छहों एलिजिबल है. Then you have, I'm saying maximum sum should be 8. So this ये भी एलिजिबल है. After that this ये 3 plus 5 8 eligible, but 3 and 6 this is not eligible. ठीक है. Then these are eligible. 4 3 4 4 and 4 5 is not eligible, and 4 6 is not eligible. Are you clear? Talking about this, 5 1 5 2 5 3 eligible, 5 4 is not, 5 5 is not, 5 6 is not. Talking about this, 6 1 6 2 are, 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6 are not. Okay, but we are talking about at most 8, right? तो अभी कितना हो गया अगर आप देखोगे तो out of 36 you are deleting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 36 minus 10 26. So your answer will be what? Your answer will simply be 26 upon 36. Are you clear with this, everyone? Got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone clear with this, guys? All of you out there, you got the point. Do you understand that, right? This could be one thing. Another very famous question that you can get is what? Probability of getting a doublet. What is a doublet, guys? Who will tell me? What is a doublet? When I'm talking about probability of getting a doublet, doublet क्या होता है बताइए? When I'm saying doublet, doublet means that I'm talking about the same number on both the dices. When you have a same number on both dice, then we call it what? Then we call it that we are talking about a doublet, right? जैसे कि 1 1 2 2 3 3. How many doublets are there? There are exactly 6 doublets. And when there are 6 doublets, so the probability of getting a doublet will be 6 upon 36. Are you clear? This is my answer, which is going to be 1 upon 6. Okay, so this is how we can talk about some of these questions which we can talk about. Yes, you are exactly correct, issue. Now, moving forward, the next thing that I want to talk about is, let's talk about some questions based on dice or based on coins. So I'm throwing 3 coins. I told you that when I'm throwing 3 coins, there will be 2 to the power 3 outcomes in total, and that makes what? That makes that we are talking about 8 outcomes over here. Cool. What will be those 8 outcomes? If I simply mention them, they will be H, H, T. Then we have H, T, H. Then we have H, H, H. Okay. I can write over here T, T, T. I can also mention T, H, H. Then I have T, H, T. Then I have T, T, H. And then I have H, T, T. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 total outcomes I am having that you can see over here. Clear, everyone? Now, when I'm talking about these 8 outcomes, there could be multiple questions, guys, that can be asked over here. Okay, so let's talk about a question. Question says, what is the probability of getting, please focus, of getting at most, probability of getting at most 3 heads? Could you please tell me, guys, probability of getting at most 3 heads? What will be the probability of getting at most 3 heads? All of you. What is the probability of getting at most 3 heads? I'm talking about at most 3 heads. What will be the probability of this? Tell me. Probability of getting at most 3 heads. Shalok Chawla says 1. Exactly. Why 1? See. So when I'm talking about at most 3 heads, when I'm talking about at most 3 heads, it means what? It means maximum. It means zyada se zyada, right? It means what? It means zyada se zyada. How many heads I want? Zyada se zyada. I want 3 heads. And zyada se zyada 3 heads means what? It could be 0 head, or it could be 1 head, or it could be 2 heads, or it could be what? Or it could be 3 heads, right? So when I'm talking about this, guys, you can very clearly see that in these cases, 2 head, this is eligible, 2 head, 3 head, 0 head, 2 head, 1 head, 1 head, 1 head. ये सारे favorable events हैं, favorable outcomes हैं. So it will be 8 divided by 8. Answer will be what? It will be 1. And ये बन गया आपका कैसा event? This is your sure event. Are you clear with this, guys? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone clear with this, guys? Now, if I'm talking about another question, let's say my question is probability of getting at least 1 head. Probability of getting at least 1 head will be what? Probability of getting at least 1 head will be what? When I'm talking about at least 1 head, इसका मतलब क्या है? कम से कम एक. कम से कम एक का मतलब it could be 1, it could be 2, or it could be 3. Yes or no? कम से कम एक का मतलब है that it could be 1, it could be 2, it could be 3, right? So when I'm talking about this, what I'll be having, समझिए, when I'm saying 1 head, तो आपके at least 1 head में ये भी आया, ये भी आया, ये भी आया, ये नहीं आया, ये भी आया, ये भी आया, ये भी आया, ये भी आया, right? So probability will be what? At least 1 head means that I am talking about 7/8 as my answer. Are you clear with this, guys? All of you got it? Yes or no? Please tell me. All the students out there, you got it? Now, if I ask you another question, guys, please tell me what is the probability of getting at least, please focus, getting at least 1 head or 1 tail. अब बताइए, what is the probability of getting at least 1 head or 1 tail? या तो कम से कम एक head आए या फिर कम से कम एक tail आए. इसकी probability क्या होगी? All of you tell me quickly, guys. Come on, everyone. Probability of getting at least 1 head or 1 tail. No, Shlok. It is at least. It is not at most. It is at least. मैं वहाँ पे at most की बात नहीं कर रहा, Shlok. I am talking about at least. At least का मतलब ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा नहीं. At least का मतलब होता है कम से कम, right? You getting it? Very good morning, Aisha. हाँ जी. At least 1 head or 1 tail. इसका मतलब क्या है, guys? इसका मतलब है कि या तो कम से कम एक हेड हो और या कम से कम एक टेल हो. ओके, राइट? इफ यू फोकस ओवर हियर, यहां पे कम से कम एक हेड है, यस. कम से कम एक हेड या एक टेल है, यस. कम से कम एक हेड या टेल है, कम से कम एक हेड या टेल है, हाँ एक टेल है, कम से कम एक टेल है, हेड है, हाँ है, सब में है, which means the answer will be what? It will be 8/8, guys. Again, the sure event that you are having. Are you clear with this, guys? All of you got it? Come on, tell me. Everyone out there, guys, you got the point? Do you understand that? Everyone clear with this or not? All the students out there, please respond. All of you, please tell me. Clear with this till here, right? Let's talk about the next one. The next question is, what is the probability of getting, please focus, getting at most 1 head and at least 1 tail? This is the question, guys. बताइए इसका probability क्या होगा? Probability of getting at most 1 head and at least 1 tail. कम ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड हो और कम से कम एक टेल हो. आई रिपीट, ज्यादा से ज्यादा एक हेड हो और कम से कम एक टेल हो, राइट? मैक्स टू मैक्स यू कैन हैव जस्ट 1 हेड एंड कम से कम you should have 1 tail. Shalok says probability is 1. Is that what you are saying, Shalok? Okay. At most 1 head, at least 1 tail. तो सबसे पहले at most 1 head वाले cases देखो. When I'm saying at most 1 head, at most 1 head, at most 1 head वाले cases ये 3 हैं. देखिए, these are the 3 cases that we have for at most 1 head. Do you agree with me? इन्हीं तीनों में आपके पास at most 1 head है और एक केस आपका ये है जिसमें आपके पास at most 1 head है. क्योंकि at most 1 head का मतलब क्या हुआ? At most one head means that either there should be zero head or there should be one head. Yes or no? At most one head means what, guys? At most one head means that either there should be what? Either there should be one head or zero head. मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? When I'm saying at most one head, it means either you have zero head or you have what? Or you have one head. Are you clear? And when I'm saying at least one tail, what does it mean? It means either one or two or three. Let's talk about it. देखिए जीरो हेड और वन हेड वाले केसेस आपके पास कौन से हैं? दिस इज जीरो हेड केस, these three are one head case. Okay, 4 cases हैं. Okay, by hacking. Now talking about the next thing that we are having, we are saying that at most one head and at least one tail. At least one tail देखिए इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है, इसमें भी है एंड इसमें भी कम से कम एक टेल है. तो आपका प्रोबेबिलिटी हो गया 1 2 3 4 4/8 is the answer. How many of you are clear with this, guys? Please tell me everyone. You got it? सबको क्लियर है या नहीं है? प्लीज बताइए मेरे को. All of you clear with this, guys? All the students out there, do you understand that? Do you agree with me till here? Everyone. Come on, guys. Quickly respond. All of you. Is that clear to all of you? Everyone got it till here? What I'm saying, what we are talking about over here? Everyone agreeing till here? Yes or no? Please tell me. All of you. Right? So this is how we can talk about it, right? Clear? Okay, guys, now let's proceed forward. Let's see what next we have. Now, if I'm talking about what? Now, if I'm talking about the last topic that we have, the card questions. So when we are talking about card, guys, we have what? We have exactly 52 cards. Okay, there are exactly 52 cards that we have. Out of these 52 cards, hello Swetam Avasti, out of these 52 cards, guys, there could be different types of sorting. We can say 26 cards are what? 26 cards are black, and we can say the other 26 cards are what? The other 26 cards are red. Clear? Yes or no? 26 cards are black, 26 cards are red. When we talk about black cards, guys, out of these black cards, 13 are there. 13 cards are what? 13 cards are what? 13 cards are of diamond. And 13 cards are of heart. Okay. And out of these red, again the same kahani, we have the sorting of 13. 13 cards. Oh my god. मैंने उल्टा कर दिया शायद. Okay, guys, when we are talking about this, these 13 are of spade. Okay, and these 13 are of what? बताइए. This is club. And over here we have what? Over here we have diamond. And then we have what? Then we have heart. Are you clear? You must have seen, guys, you must have seen this is what we call heart. Okay, this is what we call diamond. Then this is what we call heart. Okay, and यहाँ पर this is what we call spade. Okay, and then this is what we call club. This is what we have. Clear, guys? Okay, all of you guys, please focus. Welcome back. Hacking anything. ठीक है, इस तरीके से we can talk about. Okay, now comes the face cards. When I'm talking about face cards, guys, so face cards क्या होते हैं? Face cards are basically your K, Q, J, जिन पर face बना होता है. Okay, so 3 cards, but 3 cards for each category. So you have what? You have 6 red face cards and you have 6 black face cards. Are you clear? In total you have what? In total you have 12 face cards. All of you got it, guys? Yes or no? फटाफट से बोलिए, quickly. Got it? Everyone clear with this till here? Okay, so I repeat again what I have just told you. Please note it. This is very important. You have 52 cards in total. Out of these 52 cards, you can say 26 are red okay, and 26 are what? 26 are black. पहली चीज तो ये होगी, okay. उसके बाद, hello Ria, how are you? उसके बाद these 26 red cards that you have, these are 13 of, we say, heart, and 13 we say what of the next thing, that is your diamond. Over here as well we have 13 of spades, and we have 13 of what? 13 of club. Clear, right? When we are talking about this heart, guys, iske andar we have 3 face cards, okay, and plus we have 9 normal cards. Here also we have 3 face cards plus 9 normal cards, 3 face cards plus 9 normal cards, 3 face cards plus 9 normal cards. This is how we talk about it. Everyone clear? For example, if I'm talking about what is the probability of what is the probability of getting a red face card? Bataiye. Probability of getting a red face card will be what, guys? Who will tell me? Probability of getting a red face card. Now, probability of getting a red face card will be equal to what? That will be total number of red face cards that we have. कितने होते हैं? Total number of red face cards are, haji, total number of red face cards are 6 divided by 52. This is the answer. Clear? I'm saying probability of getting what? Probability of getting a red queen. We have what? We have 2 red queens. 2 red queen होती हैं, diamond and heart, so it will be 2 upon 52. Probability of getting a king, that will be what? Probability of getting a king will be equal to, there are 4 kings divided by 52. So this is how we can talk about all these stories. Or probability of getting a black king. What is the probability of getting a black king, guys? Probability of getting a black king will be nothing but 2 upon 52. 2 होते हैं black king आपके पास. Okay, तो इस तरीके से we can just talk about some of these questions that we are having over here. All of you got it, guys? Okay, so that's how we can just discuss all these things. Everyone, quickly respond. You got it? Is that clear to everyone out there? All the students, guys, yes or no? Please tell me. Everyone clear with this? Still here? Sorted? Hello, Kashish, how are you? Okay, are we clear with this, guys? Still here? Everyone clear with this till here? Yes, probability is important. Very good morning, Kashish. Okay, so assuming that you all got this till here, let's talk about 1 or 2 more questions that we can have over here. Probability of doing good, Kashish. Probability of getting red king. Just a minute, guys. Just excuse me for a moment, guys. I'm just plugging in the charger. Okay, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Okay, so probability of getting a red king will be what? As you know, there are 2 red kings, so it will be 2 upon 52. Now, if I'm talking about some more questions, let's say the question that I'm having is, what is the probability of getting a black card or a king? हाँ जी बताइए. Probability of getting a black card or a king. क्या होगा इसका probability? Probability of getting a black card or a king. All of you guys, quickly tell me. Probability of getting a black card or a king. Shalok says 30 upon 52. What about others? So guys, basically we have 26 black cards, no doubt about that, and we have 4 kings. But don't you think that in 4 king में 2 king जो होते हैं वो black card ही होते हैं? तो in 26 के अंदर 2 black kings तो already include हो गए ना. तो I'm left with 2 red kings. तो ये 26 plus 2 हो जाएगा, and that will be 28 upon 52. Are you clear with this, Shalok? You got it what I'm saying? It is 28 upon 52. You got it? Yes or no? क्योंकि 2 आपके ब्लैक किंग उसी में इंक्लूड हो गए जो आपने ब्लैक कार्ड्स की बात करी, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट विल बी 28 upon 52, not 30 upon 52, right? So that's how we can talk about all these things, guys, and that is all from my side. Thank you so much for connecting with me over here on YouTube. You can join me on Unacademy learning application as well. कुछ नहीं करना आपको. If you wish to join me on Unacademy learning application, you just need to download the Unacademy learning application. Okay, just download Unacademy learning application. After downloading Unacademy learning application, guys, you can just select your class, whatever it is. Then you can use this invite code. This is the invite code. Okay, ये invite code आपको use करना है. Okay, after using this invite code, you will be able to attend all the special free classes. Okay, all the special free classes. मेरी free classes और बाकी teachers की free classes आप लोग join कर सकते हैं by just using this invite code. And also you can be a part of so many quizzes that happen on Unacademy, right? You can join my free courses as well. There are so many free courses that I've made on this. Okay, for sure we'll do that. For sure we'll do that, Suman. Okay, cool guys. So that is all from my side. I'll see you in the next class. Tab tak ke liye goodbye, take care. Okay, please be safe, and I'll see you in the next class, guys. Okay, take care, goodbye, have a blessed and awesome day. Okay, all of you guys, bye, take care.